In the mass spectrum of aliphatic carboxylic acid, the molecular ion are generally weak intensity. The molecular ion for aliphatic carboxylic acid is weak, but we can easily observe the molecular ion. But for aromatic carboxylic acid, the molecular ion are generally strong in nature. It have high intensity for the molecular ion in mass spectrum of aromatic carboxylic acid. Then what is the fragmentation pattern? The most common and principal mode of fragmentation in aromatic carboxylic acid is alpha cleavage. Then consider this aromatic carboxylic acid. In alpha cleavage, first this carboxylic acid undergoes electron ionization. There is formation of molecular ion takes place. Then this molecular ion undergoes alpha cleavage with loss of hydroxy group as a radical. The hydroxy group eliminated as a radical, and there is formation of phenyl acylium ion takes place. By alpha cleavage, loss of hydroxy group as a radical gives phenyl acylium ion fragment at the mass to charge ratio 105. Then this fragment further undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. This fragment ion further undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. The phenyl cation fragment is formed at mass to charge ratio 77, and through this phenyl cation, the loss of acetylene molecule, the neutral acetylene molecule is eliminated to give cyclodibutyl cation at mass to charge ratio 41. This is the first fragmentation in aromatic carboxylic acid. Alpha cleavage. In alpha cleavage, loss of hydroxy group as a radical to give phenyl acylium ion fragment at mass to charge ratio 105. Then further it undergoes, this phenyl acylium ion further undergoes loss of carbon monoxide to give phenyl cation fragment at mass to charge ratio 77, and this phenyl cation further undergoes loss of neutral acetylene molecule to give cyclodibutyl cation at mass to charge ratio 51. Then consider the second mode of fragmentation in aromatic carboxylic acid. The second mode of fragmentation in aromatic carboxylic acid, which is known as Artho effect. In last online lecture we discussed the Artho effect fragmentation or Artho effect rearrangement. What is the Artho effect fragmentation? What is the condition for Artho effect? Then which carbonyl compound generally undergoes Artho effect? The aromatic carboxylic acid, aromatic esters and aromatic amides. These three carbonyl compound undergoes Artho effect fragmentation. What is another condition? Aromatic carboxylic acid, aromatic ester, aromatic amide should be have at least one hydrogen containing Artho substituent. At Artho carbon, if there is a substituent is present, the group is present, this Artho group should be have at least one hydrogen. There should be three types of groups are present: alkyl group, hydroxy group and amino group. With respect to carboxylic functional group, ester functional group and amide functional group, at Artho position if alkyl, hydroxy or amino group are present, then these carbonyl compound undergoes the Artho effect fragmentation through the 6-membered cyclic transition state. Intramolecularly, the hydroxy group, alcoholic group in ester and amide group in the NH2 group in the amide. Intramolecularly abstract the Artho hydrogen present or Artho group carbon. Loss of water molecule, loss of alcohol or loss of ammonia take place to use the fragment ion. This fragment ion is very important. It is useful to distinguish orthoisomer from methyl para isomer. Methyl para isomer does not undergo ortho effect fragmentation. Only ortho substituted acid, ester and amide undergoes the ortho effect. Then what is the ortho effect in carboxylic acid? If aromatic carboxylic acid having alkyl hydroxy or NH2 group at ortho position undergoes ortho effect rearrangement to give it undergoes the fragmentation. Aromatic acid having alkyl or hydroxy or amino group at ortho position undergoes fragmentation with loss of water molecule. Aromatic carboxylic acid having alkyl, hydroxy or amino group at ortho carbon undergoes fragmentation with the loss of neutral water molecule to use the fragment ion at even mass number. This fragmentation proceeds through the 6-membered cyclic transition state. This fragmentation is known as ortho effect fragmentation, or it is known as ortho effect rearrangement. Consider the example. This is the carboxylic acid. Consider it have orthohydroxy group. After the formation of this molecular ion, if this molecular ion is formed, this hydroxy group intramolecularly abstract this hydrogen or ortho group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 atoms are involved. It has concerted mechanism, simultaneous mechanism, and this reaction proceeding through the 6-membered cyclic transition. OH and H, H2O is eliminated, and this fragment ion is formed. This fragment ion is formed. This fragment ion has mass to charge ratio even number. If there is any substituent on ring, then mass to charge ratio is again changed. Then consider again one example. This carboxylic acid having alkyl substituent methyl group at ortho position, then it intramolecularly abstract this hydrogen, ortho hydrogen present on ortho group. The ortho effect fragmentation occurs with loss of again water molecule. Then this fragment ion is formed again. It has mass to charge ratio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 carbon. 8 into 12, 96, 96 plus 16. This fragment ion again formed at mass to charge ratio. The total number of carbons are 8, 8 into 12, 96, 96 plus 1 oxygen 16. 16 plus 96, 112 plus 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of hydrogens are are 6. This fragment ion form at mass to charge ratio 180. It has total number of carbons are 7. 7 into 12, 84. 84 plus this 1 oxygen 100. The second oxygen 16. 16 plus this 4 hydrogen 120. This fragment ion has mass to charge ratio 120. What is the application of ortho effect in, what is the importance of ortho effect fragmentation? Ortho effect fragmentation is useful to distinguish ortho substituted aromatic acid from corresponding methyl para substituted aromatic acid. We can easily distinguish with the help of mass spectrum the ortho isomer from the methyl para isomer by Artho effect fragmentation. With the help of mass spectra, we can easily distinguish arthoisomer from methyl para isomer by this artho effect fragmentation. Only this artho substituted. What are the substituted present as artho carbon? Alkyl hydroxyl NH2. Artho substituted aromatic acid undergoes this artho effect fragmentation. Methyl para substituted aromatic acid does not undergoes the artho effect fragmentation. There is 6-member cyclic transition state is not found at for methyl para isomer, and the fragment ion for artho effect is not present in the mass spectrum for meta and para. We learn the fragmentation pattern for aromatic carboxylic acid. In aromatic carboxylic acid, there is a two principal mode of fragmentations. These are the two important mode of fragmentations. The first one is alpha cleavage. In alpha cleavage, loss of hydroxy group as a radical take place to gives phenylacylium ion fragment, and this phenylacylium ion fragment further undergoes loss of carbon monoxide as a neutral molecule to gives phenylcation fragment at a mass to charge ratio 77. Then this phenylcation further undergoes loss of neutral acetylene molecule to gives the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 51 cyclobutyl, the cyclodibutyl cation. And another very important fragmentation in the aromatic carboxylic acid is artho effect. When aromatic carboxylic acid have artho alkyl, artho hydroxy or artho amino group undergoes the artho effect fragmentation with loss of neutral water molecule to use the fragment ion at even mass number. Then consider the example for the fragmentation of aromatic carboxylic acid. This is the example para-methoxybenzoic acid. The 4-methoxy or para-methoxybenzoic acid. In mass spectrum, para-methoxybenzoic acid gives this fragment ion. The fragment ion at 152, 135, 107 and 45. Then show the genesis or show the mechanism for formation of fragment ion at these mass to charge ratio. What are the structures of fragment ion at these mass to charge ratio? Then consider the fragmentation. Consider the fragmentation. The first, formation of molecular ion. This para-methoxybenzoic acid undergoes electron ionization, and there is formation of this molecular ion takes place. This molecular ion is formed at mass to charge ratio. Then consider it as mass to charge ratio. Total number of carbons are 1 plus ring carbon 6, 7, 8 carbon. 12 into 8, 96. It has 3 oxygens. 1 oxygen have mass 60. 3 into 60, 48. And number of hydrogen 1 plus ring carbon have 4 hydrogen 5. 5 plus 3, 8. The 1 hydrogen have mass 1. Then 8 hydrogen have mass 8. Then total mass 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 4, 50. This is the molecular ion at mass to charge ratio 152. Then further, after the formation of molecular ion, consider what is fragment ion, molecular ion, and the second fragment at mass to charge ratio 135. The difference between these two fragments are 70. Means this is the M minus 17 fragment. This is the M minus 17 fragment. Means it is M minus OH, loss of hydroxy radical. Then it undergoes the loss of, consider, after the formation of this molecular ion, further it undergoes loss of hydroxy group as a radical by alpha cleavage. This alpha cleavage occurs with loss of hydroxy radical to gives there is formation of phenylacylyl ion. This phenylacylyl ion is well stabilized by electron donating methoxy group. It has a resonating effect. Then consider it has mass to charge ratio. Its mass to charge ratio is less than 17 atomic mass unit from the molecular ion, and this is the fragment at 135. Then further we already discussed, after the formation of phenylacylyl ion, it undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. It undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. The phenyl cation fragment is formed. 135 minus 28. The carbon monoxide have mass is 28. 135 minus 28, 107. Or you consider its mass. Total number of carbons are 7. Ring carbon 6. Methoxy carbon was 7. This is 84. 1 oxygen 60. 4 plus 3 7 hydrogens. 84 plus 16 100. 100 plus 7. This fragment ion have mass to charge ratio 107. This is the structure of fragment. It is a molecular ion at mass to charge ratio 152. It undergoes alpha cleavage with loss of hydroxy radical to give the fragment ion, which is phenylacylyl ion at mass to charge ratio 135. Further it undergoes loss of neutral carbon monoxide to give the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 107. What is the structure of fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 45? Consider, after the formation of molecular ion, consider this is the molecular ion. If this molecular ion is formed, this is the molecular ion. It undergoes another type of alpha cleavage, and in this alpha cleavage, the aromatic ring, this aromatic group eliminate as a radical. This eliminate as a radical to give this acylyl ion, and this acylyl ion have mass to charge ratio 45. 2 oxygen 32, 1 carbon 32 plus 12 44 and 1 hydrogen. This is the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 45. The mass to charge ratio fragment ion at 45 is a characteristic fragment for the carboxylic acid. The M minus 17 and fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 45 generally represent by only carboxylic acid compound. These two combining peak fragment ion in the mass spectrum useful to detect the given compound should be carboxylic acid. This is the explanation, this is the fragmentation mechanism for this mass to charge ratio. The first, it undergoes electron ionization to produce molecular ion. Molecular ion undergoes alpha cleavage, loss of hydroxy radical to use the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 135. It is a phenylacylyl ion. It further undergoes loss of carbon monoxide to give the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 107. Substituted phenyl cation is formed, And another type of alpha cleavage, loss of aromatic group as a radical to gives this acylyl ion at mass to charge ratio 45. This is the fragmentation mechanism for these ions. Then consider the next.